Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Milky Chance here with a song called Better Off. We will look at the two different alternatives here to work with these same chords here, two different strumming patterns or so. Otherwise it will be same chords from the beginning till the very end. So let's take a look at the chords first. No need for any cape on this one. So we have 5 different chords. Starting here with the C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. A minor here, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the B chord next, and I use 2 bars, so to speak, on this specific song here with this B, because we don't have to go all the way down the strum and so, and that will be easier to work with 2 bars. You place 1 bar here on the 2nd fret, you don't have to bar the last E string here, so just 5 strings, and then you can play with a 2nd bar there in front of on the 4th position, and you bar the D, G, and down, so like that. I stay, when I do the strumming here, I stay on the mid strings here. So I avoid the last E string because we don't want that last note there from the 2nd bar. So stay around the mid strings and play it with 2 bars. That's my suggestion. If you want to play the B as it is, really, then you have bar there on the 2nd fret in the same way. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. So, if you don't want to include all these fingers like this, do it as I do, 2 bars like this. That's the B. We have the E minor next. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. All right. So we want to play it in 2 different ways. One is more like it is in the song here with the rhythm, and the second one is more following with the beat there. We're going to include a clap or so. So let's take a look at the first alternative here. You're going to play with C here, down, up, down, up, down, and then a pause. And I do that pause with a muting. So I like to play like this. And then I use my finger, my pinky there, or the fingers I'm using there on the fretboard to actually hold the chord and lift off. I lift off with the chord, or I place a finger, like this little pinky here, in front of the chord on the strings to just kill the sound. And with that, I get this pause. So, right? And I do the same after the C, down, up, down, up, down. Pause, and I do the same with the A minor. And then for B, the same. Lift off. And now I'm using my my mid finger here to lay it on top of the strings to kill some of the strings there. So down, up, down, up, down. So far C, A minor, and B, down, up, down, up, down. Then comes the E minor. Here you're gonna play down, up, down, up, down, up, and then immediately you go to D and play down, up. So it will be slowly like this. Here you don't have time to kill the sound or so, and you don't have to, because it gets from E minor to D immediately, so there's no pauses there in between. So that is the end of this chord progression here with the E minor and D, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then D, down, up, and then you start all over again. So slowly it goes like this. And then all over again. That's the first alternative. The second one is more focused on the beat there, and you have the same chords there. One strumming round will be, if you take the C there, down, up, clap, up. So that is one round. So down, up, clap, up. And you also have to divide it into two different parts. So the first part is the first down up. So down up, part 1, then continue with clap up. We need that in the end here between the E minor and D. So it starts with C, of course, the same chord progression: C, A minor, B, E minor, and D. You're gonna play 2 string rounds for C, 2 for A minor, and 2 for B. We're gonna play that so far. So it will be down up, clap up, down up, clap up, A minor, and B. And then we'll come to E minor. Here you're gonna play 1 full round plus part 1. So that will be down up, clap up, down up. And then you switch to D and play part 1 again, down up. So it will be down up, clap up, down up on E minor, and then D, down up, like this. And then you start all over again. So slowly it gets like this. So, 2 ways of handling Milky chants, better off. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, give me some support here on Gordon Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.